press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, today just we are continuing our chapter practical geometry. In yesterday's class we learned how to construct a triangle when we know two sides and included angle. In today's class just we are going to know how to construct a triangle when two sides and included sides we know. Okay, see here. Constructing a triangle when the measures of two of its angles and the length of the side included between them are given. Here we are going to construct a triangle when the two angles, when we know the two angles of a triangle and included angle between the and included side between the angle are known. Okay, just I am giving one example. After that you came to know how to construct a triangle when we know two angles and included side. Example, this is construct. This all you have to construct in your notebook. Triangle XYZ if it is given that construct the triangle XYZ. We are going to construct a triangle XYZ. It is given that XY equals to 6 centimeters. Just I am telling you children, when we are going to construct a triangle, when we know two angles and included size measurements, just we have to take that side as base. Just we have to take that side as base. Measure of ZXY equals to 30 degrees and measure of XYZ equals to 100 degrees. Measure of XYZ equals to 100 degrees. Just what I have told you children, when we know two angles measurement and included size measurement, what we have to do, just we have to take that side as a base. Just we have to take that side as a triangle base. First you have to write whatever we are going to do in the question, whatever they have given in the question, first you have to write that measurements. Solution. Given we are going to construct, we have to construct triangle XYZ. We have to construct triangle XYZ where XY equals to 6 centimeters and measure of ZXY equals to 30 degrees and measure of XYZ equals to 100 degrees and measure of XYZ. These X and Y measures they are giving, and one base they are giving. The base is XY. What is the base of a triangle XYZ? We have to take XY. Rough diagram just I am constructing here children. Rough diagram. Triangle XY I have to take as base Z. Okay. Angle X measurement they are giving as 30 degrees and this one they are giving as 100 degrees. This will be obtuse angle. Just I have in rough diagram, nothing will be happen. And then we have to draw. We have to construct a clean picture, neat diagram according to the measurements. First base, what we have to take? Base we have to take as xy, and then the measure of base xy is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. X, Y. The measurement of this line segment is 6 centimeter. XY I am taking as base. The measurement of XY is 6 centimeter. And then just what we have to construct? We have to construct two angles. One through X and one through Y. Through Y, which angle we have to take? Angle 100 through Y. Measure of X, Y, Z through Y. Just I am intersecting these point of center of the protractor with the XY line segment, and just I am taking here the upper scale of a protractor where it will give 100. Here I am putting one point and just I am joining X with that Y with that point. Y with that point. It will give 100 degrees here. It will give 100 degrees here. And through X, what we have to construct? Through X we have to draw a 30 degrees of angle. 30 degrees of angle. Here just we have to take the lower scale because this is on left side, correct? That's why we have to take. When we are taking angles, we have to be very clear that which angle we are taking, which scale we have to take, whether upper scale or lower scale. Okay, whether we are going to take upper scale or lower scale, we have to be very clear. And the point of intersection of these two rays is Z. The point of intersection of X ray and Y ray is known as Z. Therefore, this is required triangle XYZ. This is the required triangle XYZ. Okay children, I think you understood just what we are doing. Here they are giving one side and two measurements. One side and two measurements of angles. That side we have to take it as base and the measurements we have to construct through the protractor. Then we will get the triangle required. Just we are moving to the exercise problems now children. Exercise 10.4. Exercise 10.4. Exercise 10.4. What is the question here? Construct triangle ABC. Construct triangle ABC. Given measurement of A equals to 60 degrees, measurement of B equals to 30 degrees and AB equals to, AB line segment is equals to 5.8 centimeter. In examination, no will tell you that this is belonging to ASA batch or SSS. By seeing the question itself only, you have to understand that whether they are giving two angles or two sides or included side they are giving or not, included angle they are giving or not, three sides measurement they are giving correctly or they are giving right angle triangle. That all you have to check when you are reading the question, when you are attempting the question. Just this is very important concept. If you know how to construct the triangle and parallel lines, you will get 8 to 10 marks in your final examinations. solution to construct triangle ABC. To construct triangle ABC of measurements, angle A equals to 60 degrees, angle A equals to 60 degrees, measurement of angle B equals to 60 degrees and 30 degrees, and AB equals to 5.8 centimeter, and AB equals to 5.8 centimeter. First we have to draw a rough diagram. In rough diagram, the line segment what they have given, we have to take it as base. What the line segment measurement they have given in the question. ಏನು ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ A B that we have to take as base 5.8 centimeters. Roughly I am writing this one, and then angle A equals to 60 degrees, angle B equals to 30 degrees, angle A equals to 50 degrees, 60 degrees, and angle B equals to 60 degrees, and then knee diagram, and that is correct measurements. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋಂಥ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ. Now the base what we are taking, AB as 5.8 centimeters. 5.8 centimeter. And then from B what we have to draw? We have to take 30 degrees of angle. Just I am writing one ray here. Okay. And then through A we have to draw 60 degrees of angle. Here I am taking the lower scale. This is 60 degrees and this is 30 degrees. The angle of the point of intersection of two rays is C. Correct? This is the required triangle ABC. This is the required triangle ABC according to the measurements that they have given. Okay children, I think you understand it. Next just move on to the next question. Construct triangle PQR if PQ equals to 5 centimeters, measurement of PQR equals to 105 degrees and QRP equals to 40 degrees. Hint they have given, that is recall angle sum property of a triangle. Hint for this, just they are giving one hint. Yes, that what is that one? Recall angle sum property. Recall angle sum property. What is angle sum property? In a triangle, what is angle sum property? In a triangle, the sum of the three angles is 180 degrees. What is angle sum property? The sum of the three angles of a triangle. That is, if triangle ABC is there, the sum of the all angles of the triangle is equals to 180 degrees. What is this one? This is angle sum property. The sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. We have to recall that one anta avaru helta idare. Okay, check the question first. Construct triangle PQR. We have to construct a triangle PQR. Okay. If PQ equals to 5 centimeters, PQ anadu base taguntivi. Correct? Two angles they are giving. That's why I am taking PQ as base. And measure of PQR they are giving 1 through 1 we know. And then measure of QRP they are giving. Measure of QRP they are giving. How we can do? We can't do. Because we don't know R. R will come here. Correct? PQ illu barutte. Measure of here they are giving. And here we don't know. We can't construct because we don't know the QR length. Correct? For that what we have to do andre, for that first rough diagram construct madana, now madak barta illa anta helena. After that by using angle sum property, third angle that means P you have to find, and then we have to construct triangle PQR. We have to construct triangle PQR where PQ equals to 5 centimeters and measures also they are giving. Measure of PQR equals to 105 degrees and measure of QRP they are giving, that is 40 degrees. Rough diagram, and just blindly have to draw the rough diagram first. Which triangle we have to do? Draw triangle PQR. We know PQ measurement, that's why I am taking PQ as base. PQ enagutte 5 centimeters. Q, measure of Q is 105 centimeters and R is 40 centimeters. And we don't know this one. If you don't know this one, just if we don't know angle P, then we can't construct a triangle. Correct? Here we cannot construct triangle PQR without knowing namge QR anna we have to find. Otherwise QR we have to find. Otherwise angle P we have to find. We can't find QR because there is no. By using Pythagoras theorem, adenu idukke satisfy. We can't apply here. That's why angle only the root first to draw. We can't construct triangle PQR without knowing measure of RPQ. Correct? We know that by using angle sum property, angle RPQ plus PQR plus QRP equals to 180 degrees. What is RPQ? We don't know. And then what is PQR? 105 degrees. And then what is QRP? 40 degrees. That is equals to 180. Just I am finding here angle P 105 plus 45, 145. That implies angle RPQ equals to 180 degrees minus 145 degrees. What is 180 minus 145? 35 degrees. 35 degrees. Correct? Here we know now we know angle, measure of angle RPQ, that is 35 degrees. First you construct anta baribeku, amele rough diagram. After that you have to do this working and then you have to go for neat diagram. Just there is no space, that's why I am rubbing this one, children. By using angle sum property I am finding here RPQ angle. Neat diagram. Neat diagram. Just PQ. PQ, what is base? Base measurement ಏನು line segment PQ is 5 centimeters. PQ is 5 centimeters. And then this one we know now. We came to know now. That is 35 degrees. From P we have to construct an angle RPQ as 35 degrees. 30 here and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 35. 35. And then through Q, just I am constructing a angle of 105. I am taking the upper triangle here. Here the 105 will come. The angle of intersection of two rays must be equals to R. If you have any doubt, here also we can check the angle. Angle 40 degrees. See here, perfect angle 40 degrees it is giving. The angle R is 40 degrees. Therefore, we constructed a correct triangle anta namge ondu satisfaction. Therefore, this is the required triangle PQR. This is not a question, just we are following the same procedure for this question also. What we are doing extra for this andre, just we are finding the P value, because the base PQ, P measurement, P angle they are not giving, R they are giving. This is not related for these two Allah, that's why I am finding P and then just I am using the same procedure to construct this triangle PQR. Just move to the next question in this exercise. Examine whether you can construct triangle DEF such that EF equals to 7.2 centimeters, measurement of angle E equals to 110 degrees and measurement of F equals to 80 degrees. Justify the answer. Justify the answer. Justify the answer. See here, children. What we have to construct here? We have to construct a triangle DEF. We have to construct a triangle DEF such that DEF equals to 7.2 centimeters. Measurement of E equals to 110 degrees and measurement of F equals to 180 degrees. Justify your answer. First geometrically I will show how we can construct. First we have to take a base as 7.2 centimeters. 7.2 centimeters. EF. Angle E we know. What is angle E? The angle E is 110 degrees. Just I am drawing 110 degrees here. I am taking the lower scale here. I think you can do the angles, correct? And here through F we have to do 80 degrees. If you check it once, if you prolong this one, wherever this is, we can't coincide these two rays, correct? We can't coincide these two rays because they are in opposite direction, because they are in, this is going like this and this is going like this. That's why they can't intersect. The intersection point we are getting why ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ now we have to check. By using angle sum property, what will be the sum of the three angles? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degrees. Here if you observe one thing, two angles sum ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Angle E plus angle E, that is equals to 110 plus 80 is equals to 190. 180 degrees ಆಗಬೇಕು ಒಂದು triangle ಗೆ proper angles ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ sum here, the sum of the 110 and 80 is 190 degrees, correct? That's why we can't construct a triangle by using the measurements. EF equals to 7.2 centimeter, angle E equals to 110 degrees and angle F equals to 80 degrees and angle F equals to 80 degrees. Just whatever they have given in the question, just write that one. Given we have to construct, roughly you have to draw this one. Construct a triangle DEF where EF equals to 7.2 centimeters, measure of E equals to 110 degrees and measure of F equals to 80 degrees and measure of F equals to 80 degrees. What we have to check now? We have to check whether by using these measurements we can draw a triangle or not, whether it is forming a triangle or not. We have to check. Now we have to check. Now we have to check whether it is possible. Now we have to check whether it is possible to construct triangle, DEF from the measurements given above. Now we have to check whether we can construct a triangle DEF by using the above measurements. We know that by using by using angle sum property, by using angle sum property, angle D plus angle E plus angle F equals to 180 degrees. That implies angle D we don't know, angle E is 110 degrees and angle F is 80 degrees. That implies 180 degrees. Angle D plus 110 plus 80, 190, that is equals to 180 degrees. That implies angle D equals to 180 minus 109, that is equals to minus 10 degrees. Angle D, what is the measure of what is the measure of angle D we are getting here? Minus 10 degrees. Andre illane illa. We can't construct an angle with minus 10 degrees. That's why we have to write, we may observe that the after that you have to write, we may observe that sum of the angles is 190 degrees and that is greater than 180 degrees, which would be the sum of three angles. That's why you can't construct a triangle by using the measurements. We have to write like that. We may, where I have to write, here shall I write? We may observe that the sum of two angles is 190 degrees, which is greater than sum of three angles. Enagiರಬೇಕು sum of three angles 180 degrees, which is greater than 180 degrees, which is greater than 180 degrees. So it is not possible to construct a triangle DEF by using above measurements. Okay, children. Here they have given the wrong measurements to construct a triangle, that is base as 7.83. It is okay, but here angle E and F they are giving as 110 and 80. If you add this one only, then we are getting 190 degrees. Actually, by using angle sum property, we have this formula that all the angles must be equals to 180 degrees. Correct? Two angles then ನಮಗೆ 190 degrees ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. That's why we are not constructing a triangle DEF by using the above measurements. This will be the conclusion. Okay children, I hope you understand. Thank you.